Race and done. Oh, look. The cat loves you guys. You're going to eat some of this, huh? You try, huh?
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh my God. Oh, you need haircut. So guys, alam nyo naman kung paano ko ito ginawa, diba? So yun, sa previous vlog. So yun yung kay Tami with cinnamon. Ito yung sa akin, walang cinnamon. Tagdadalawa kami nito. And then merong leftover na egg. Lutuin ko yan for Tamimoy. Well, Tami is not good to eat egg all the time. So, I don't know. Ito siya. Konti lang. Dapat talaga hindi kami kakain ito. Kasi ano ito. Sobra yung salt nito. Pero, masarap kasi. Ayan.
Here we go, guys. Mama and Mama's boy watching videos together on a phone.
Guys, we are watching Simply Race mukbang. And look at this. Look at my cat. He just love watching them. Look.
So now he's staring at the camera now.
We're watching Simply Race mukbang. And my son is just like enjoying it. Like oh my God. You're watching Dada. What is Dada doing? Oh, look, look, look. Race and done. Oh, look. The cat loves you guys. Look at this. He tried to touch. He even tried to touch you guys.
Hindi ko sure, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko ma-imagine si Dan na mag-ganyan. Why? Because you were being naughty.
Alas 12 na guys, pero wala pang araw. Walang araw. Ang daming. Hi guys, GoPro tayo. Punta tayong Home Depot. Kuha tayo ng maraming lupain. Lupain. Last na lang talaga ito guys, promise. Bahala na yung mga extra seedling ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, pero pabayaan ko na lang siya. Ilagay ko na lang siya sa mga container. Tignan natin kung mabubuhay. Gusto kong i-transfer ito kasi mataas na yung ano niya na nandun na sa likuran, oh. Yan. And then itong ano ni Tami, lumaki. Ang sa akin naman is parang iwan ko. And then yung isa is andito siya, oh. Oh. Pero itong kay Tami, maganda naman yung tubo. Hi guys! Do you know? I don't know. Kung sino ba yung... Guys, meron ba kayong mga granny underwear, shirt underwear, yung parang mahulog na, or yung tibak balulak na underwear? Yung granny underwear. Actually, noong pagbili ko nitong underwear na to, TMI na naman tayo. Nung pagbili ko ng underwear na ito, hindi siya granny, pero may kalakihan. Naging granny siya, guys. Sa kalalabakot, sa kasusuot, naging granny. Look, oh. High-waisted po itong jeans, guys, pero umabot pa sa ibabaw talaga. Naku talaga, sabi ko kay Tamihan, it's nice to wear granny underwear. I told him, you know why? I don't have to worry all the time that you're gonna feel that. Because yung ibang underwear na parang nasa crack ng puwet na siya, yung linya ganun, parang feeling ko mahuhulog. Palagi akong ganun ng ganun, bira ng bira, pataas. Sabi ko kay Tami, masarap pag may granny underwear. So guys, you should try. Especially pag meron kayo, maganda talaga yung granny underwear. Parang ang bigat ng pakiramdam, parang yung granny underwear nakatulong na parang, alsahin ko kayo. Anyway, yung topic natin ba, kahit saan na napunta sa underwear, napunta sa mga blang bling bling blong blong. But anyway, naghintay ako kay Tami. Ako pa naman itong asawa ko, kailangan pa mag-brush ng buhok niya guys, kasi ano, tingnan nyo yan, buhok niya. Brush your hair, love. Uy.
Your brush is here.
We're heading to... More lupain. This is gonna be the last
Yeah, sure.
soil. Han?
Guys, don't bet your life on it. She's told me that a few times already.
Yeah, but this one is last.
The other last didn't count.
Han.
That was a make-believe last.
I
This is a
added.
for real last.
Yeah, for real last. Because I really thought that was the last. But now I added stuff. For I added beds. So I will see you at the store.
That's right. And next week we'll go again
Ay, honey.
and do the other last. This will be third last.
Give me a kiss.
That'll be fourth last.
Give me a kiss.
That'll be fourth last.
Roxy. Parang si Roxy lang. Give me a kiss. Honey. Ew.
And you said Roxy, call me Roxy, so
Ew.
if I'm Roxy, I kiss like
My
Roxy.
husband smells so good, guys. Gusto ko sana yun, guys. Walang presyo. Nice, $8. Ganda naman ito. Ito na siya, guys. Tulungan natin si Tommy. Why did I get this? No, it's not. Oh. Is he gonna fit to the car? Huh?
Hopefully.
That's it. Andito na kami guys sa guys, ShopRite na kami. So gagawa daw si Tommy ng taco. So he need to get some that or the shell. What are you getting?
A bowl.
Huh?
I don't want a bowl.
This is hard. Do you like the hard?
No.
Hi guys, we are done sa grocery store and may nakita akong matanda ba. I saw an old guy and he has that too big. How is a big gallon, right? 6 gallon of, it's heavy. And sabi ko kay Tami, tulungan mo. So yun. 96 na daw siya guys. He's still doing grocerying. 96 years old. And doon din sa sa Home Depot, this guy said, "Wow, you got a lot of soil." Ang dami talaga, 12 bags. My husband's request.
My request.
Ay, ay, ay. Akala ko umuulan guys. It's raining a little bit and then stops. And then it rain again and then stops. Pero konti lang naman yung ulan.
According to my wife, it's pouring.
The reality is pouring. My husband cannot see it. The rain. His eyes is getting bad.
Apparently they can't see it either because they can look out the window and see it's not pouring.
Look. Okra for okra guys, for the lauoy. And eggplant. They don't have a good eggplant though. And long pepper. Tani got a mushroom that I don't like. It's not portobello mushrooms. The tacos because he's making a taco. And he got creamer. Takes forever for him to come back to get the creamer.
Sour cream, it's not creamer.
A sour cream. And cucumber because he likes cucumber salad. And pepperoni.
Salad.
Super sad. What else did you get? Hala, you get 2 of this.
Refried beans.
Refried beans. Look for the tacos.
The salsa for the tacos.
And what else?
Seasoning mix for the tacos. Shredded cheese for the tacos.
I need to wash my hand, guys. Yun, so yun lang yung nabili namin sa which is na a lot, which is good. Yan. Ito. Mga dahon lang yung kunin natin, guys. Dahon. Look. Dahon ng pichay. Yan pala ito guys. Kunin ko to be. Ito. Saka ito. Okay na yan. Only the leaves, look. Honey. I just get the leaves because who knows, maybe it's still growing, you know. I have to wash it really good, guys. So my husband is making tacos. Nag-defrost ako ng salmon para mamadya. Ang daming lupa. So ngayon, umuulan man siya. Mag-ano sana ako maglagay ng lupa ba sa iba. Oh, tacos. Not done yet. Ito daw yan. Sige, close it now. Tacos.
Hold them.
Let's try it. I-try natin, guys. Sus, ginoo ko. Ang laki ko na talaga. Okay, let's try Tammy's taco.
Close.
But it's good. You know, this is not my kind of food. You know that?
Yep.
The rice in here is good. Rice makes everything good. Next time, put all the rice. Just rice. Masarap naman siya. Kaso lang. Hindi talaga to para sa akin. So ngayon guys, magkatay ng okra. Yan din bok choy natin. Naka-harvest tayo ng bok choy, di ba? Harvest tayo ng okra. Si Tammy ayaw itong okra guys. Ginoo ko. Iwan ko na lang tong asawa ko. Ayaw talaga niya. Guys, tina-transfer ko yung ano dito, salmon, kasi to make sure na hindi mag-crack yung ano, kasi maginaw pala, dahil frozen po ito kanina, yung nilagyan ko kanina maginaw, yung puwit sobrang ginaw talaga. So pag ilagay ko siya sa oven, alam nyo ba, kapag maginaw at saka sobrang init, mag-crack yung ano, kahit okay pa yan sa oven, kahit Pyrex pa yan, basta kayo maginaw at init, i-ano mo, mag-crack talaga.
How great is mess up?
Hi guys! Mag-start na tayong magluto ng ano, maglawoy na ako guys, bulang lang po. Simple lang itong bulang lang, talong, okra, malunggay, and then bok choy, pichay, yung na-harvest po natin sa garden. Sooner or later, may ano na siya, talong na natin, at saka okra na sa atin, at saka may ano pa, maraming bok choy, pichay, and string beans, palitaw ba yun, batong, yun, lagyan ko siya ng lemongrass, ang bango, yun, ganyan kami mag ano, and then yung tubig pa yung andito guys, so, yun, tansya na lang yun guys, kung ano yung ano ninyo, ilagay natin mamaya yung mga gulay, and luto na itong ano ni Tammy, para kay Tammy, mushrooms, kasi I think hindi siya, pero ipatry ko sa kanya kung kakain ba siya nito. Lagyan po natin ng 5-5 tuna 5-5 ito yung salmon, guys. Ganun lang, guys. Yun yung gusto namin ni Tami. Yung pagod. Napapagod na ged, kaged. And ito yung lauoy natin. Lutuin ko lang yan. So, ilagay natin, tignan natin, guys, kung okay ba to. 5 sardines. Masarap naman siya. 5 sardines. Alam ko talagang hindi kakain yung asawa ko nito dahil sa okra. Slimy na yung tubig niya. Ayaw niya to. Pero ipatry pa rin natin, di ba? Very na siya, sobrang mahunit na dahil sa okra. Okay, ilagay natin yung tubig, extra. Ilagay ko na si malunggay. Okay. So, sobrahan nadamihan ko yung okra nito. Yung sabaw, And then, ilagay ko itong first time nating harvestable. Nasayahan talaga ako nito, guys. Hi, guys. Diba meron tayong salmon dito? Kumuha ako ng salmon doon. Ilagay natin dito. This is your salmon. My salmon is I mix it with the vegetables. Your salmon is just here.
Oh, good. No okra in my salmon.
Well, you're gonna try this anyway.
No okra in my
Please, you're gonna try.
No okra in my salmon.
Look at this annoying husband.
No okra in my salmon, thank you. None of it. Don't drop the camera. She's lying on her shirt. She does bite.
Wait, what is that?
The shirt says I don't bite.
You're gonna
Tell
eat.
her.
You're going to eat some of this, huh? You try, huh?
I'll have the eggplant. I will not have the okra. You already know that.
Why? You never try? You're not going to try?
No, for good reason.
What is the good reason, hon? This is good for you.
I don't like okra.
What's my thing over there?
Yeah, shouldn't do this without.
Sarap nito, guys. Nilagay ko talaga dito yung salmon kasi na-fry talaga yung salmon, so masarap talaga. We have mushrooms here. I'm a bacon now. Lutuin natin ng matagal-tagal para yung lasa ng salmon. Ito na siya, guys. Tapos na, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang saya. Meron na tayong lauoy. Look. Bulang lang. Can you see bulang lang? That's the name.
Bulang.
Ganggang bulang. What the heck? Hello, are you happy even I don't water you today and yesterday? It's growing.
You forget to water it, you should be happy about that.
It seems like growing though. It's growing. It's getting big. Han, you have another turkey. Where is it? In the freezer downstairs?
Wherever you put it.
Huh? Refrigerator downstairs. Oh no, use your thing.
Yeah. You do. It's my thing.
Use your thingy, baby. Sabi ko, pakainin mo yung mga anak mo dong. Kasi ako yung nagluluto dong, ha? Pakainin mo sila dong. Tignan niyo. Pinakain na.
I'm protesting. What are they protesting for? Exactly. What exactly?
Hi guys, so ngayon guys, kunin ko lang yung mga suwil doon sa trunk ng sasakyan ko. And pagkatapos lang namin, nakabalik lang kami, nag-ano na kami ng basura, naglagay sa basura doon sa kalsada. Ang bigat. Ang bigat nito, ang bigat. So yun, 12 bags po yung kinuha namin. So yun, ipahit ko lang siya dito. Busy man yan guys, may ginagawa siya. Gumagawa siya ng pagkain ng hummingbird. Okay guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pahinga lang kami.
Hi guys.
Good night.
Thanks for coming.
See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for clicking the video. Bye. Nag-edit lang ako ng video guys, kaya anyway, see you tomorrow.